In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error on Roblox, which says Roblox encountered an unrecoverable error. It's a fairly simple one to fix, so let's just jump straight into it. You want to first close down your Roblox app, and then we want to come to the Start menu and search for Run. Tap on the Run icon, and inside of here, you need to type in $app data, and then hit Enter. Click on App Data at the top here to go back one folder, inside of Local, and you want to scroll down to find the Roblox folder. Then simply right-click on this and select the trash icon to delete it. We then want to empty our recycle bin, which we can do by coming to the Start menu and searching for Recycle. Select the recycle bin, and then just hit Empty Recycle Bin at the top here. You then want to come to the Start menu and search for Programs. Select Add or Remove Programs. Scroll down this list until you find Roblox. And next to Roblox, you want to select these three little dots and hit Uninstall. If you don't have Roblox come up here, then just skip this step and move on to the next one. Once we've uninstalled Roblox, head back out of here, and then we need to come to our Start menu. And you want to open up the Microsoft Store. Using this search box at the top, search for Roblox and hit Enter. And it should come up with the Roblox game. Click on that, and you want to click on Install. Make sure to install the game from here inside the Microsoft app and not from an internet browser. If that's still not working, then the next thing we need to do is head to the Start menu and search for CMD. And then you want to right-click on Command Prompt and make sure to run this as an administrator. Now inside of this black window, we're going to type in the following commands and hit Enter after each one. So the first thing you want to type in is net sh space winsock space reset and hit Enter. Next, type in ipconfig space / flush DNS and hit Enter. Then type in ipconfig space / release and then hit Enter. And lastly, you want to type in net sh space int space ip space reset and hit Enter. We can then close out of this window, and we want to head back to the Start menu and search for Settings. Click on the Settings tab, scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says Windows Update, and then press this blue button, Check for Updates, and just basically ensure that you are running the most up-to-date version of Windows. Now, the last and final thing we need to do is come back to the Start menu, search for Run, click on the Run icon, and this time you want to type in sysdm.cpl and hit Enter. Come inside of the Advanced tab, where it says Startup and Recovery at the bottom, come into Settings, and you want to change this debugging information here from Small Memory Dump to Complete Memory Dump, and then just press OK. As you can see, this requires you to restart your computer before the changes take place. So once you've done this, just restart your computer, and once you've restarted your computer, the issue should now be fixed. If you still are experiencing problems, please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.